I don't know. Might be a big failure, this one. I just asked my glasses to show me around a treasure hunt in Valencia. I don't know if I like what we found. Ooh, by the way, if you want to learn how to do this with the glasses, just check out the link below. There's one link down below, and it'll take you to a page where you can learn more about this. By the way, this treasure hunt is the third episode in the series of Guided, where I attempt to manifest 10,000 euros in 30 days. After a while, I switched from my glasses to something that works better when you're walking in a city and wanting to be guided. And I'm going to show you something. I'm a little embarrassed about it, but it's a very good idea, but it looks kind of silly. So this is it. It is a radio, and it looks like an antenna, which is loose, right? Thing is, this is a dowsing rod. It moves up and down here, and it swings inside there. And if I only hold this in my hand and walk around, people look at me like I'm crazy, and it feels not good. So what I did, I attached it. I just taped it to this radio, and now I walk around with it. Well, I show the screen to people, and I walk around with it like this, and it just, I just walk around with it like this, and I just look like an old man listening to old radio, right? Now, nobody gave me a second look, so now I can use it. Because when you're walking, you can use your glasses, and it will swing sideways when you're supposed to make a turn, right? But you don't know, am I going this direction? Am I going this direction? Then you need to stop and check, is this direction, this direction? With these, you just follow the tip. It swings and shows you. Been walking for 10 minutes now. We're on a treasure hunt in Valencia, right? This is where it led me. It is the same as my banner on the channel. Is this why you took me here? It's a specialist store for hats. I've never been in one before. Don't know why, but it's determined. It keeps pointing back to that. It says yes when I think I look good in a sixpence. I don't know.